have my clippers, my snippers, and my gloves. Today's task is to prune the mango tree. We had a tree service that was taking care of our fruit trees. They fertilized them, sprayed them for bugs, and the trees just kept getting worse and worse. I decided that I would take over the care of the trees. Now it's all in my hands. So today I have to trim the mango tree that has not been trimmed in well over 5 years. I don't know the first thing about fruit trees, but I couldn't do any worse than the service we had. So I set off to do some research. We have a semi-dwarf mango tree. We had some pretty good mangoes this year, but not very many. But the tree kept getting mold on the leaves, and our tree service never seemed to make a difference. A few months ago, I took over, and I was able to get rid of most of the mold, which I found out is some kind of molding poop. Now, I have gloves because mango trees have a chemical urushiol, which is related to poison ivy and can cause contact dermatitis for some people. Now, in my research, I learned a mango tree should have 3 to 4 main trunks. The lower branches should be up to 4 feet from the ground. You need to get rid of anything dead or anything diseased. Get rid of the vertical growth on the branches and keep the horizontal. Wide is better than tall. And since we had not done any trimming in 5 years, we were overdue. Luckily, mango trees can stand a severe trim, and that's what it got. Next up, the avocado tree.